The 2026 Bentley Truck Limousine RV is the ultimate of mobile luxury, combining British elegance, cutting-edge technology, and full-scale RV capability. This custom-built masterpiece turns every trip into a luxurious experience for affluent tourists who expect five-star suite comforts. Living area. A luxurious rolling lounge. The motorhome's main living space has hand-stitched quilted leather sofas in a U-shape around a retractable 55-inch OLED smart TV. Real walnut wood panels, polished brass fittings, and ambient lighting create a luxurious lounge. A built-in fireplace and surround music system set the scene, whether you're by the sea or in the wilderness. Kitchen and dining. Gourmet on the go. The gourmet kitchenette has marble countertops, an induction cooktop, a wine fridge, and a hidden espresso bar. Cooking is faultless with Gaggenau and Miele appliances. A fold-out crystal dining table with Bentley embroidered leather chairs, seats for formal or casual meals opposite the kitchen. Elegant bathroom, spa quality. The full-size bathroom rivals luxury hotels. Features include rainfall shower with steam sauna feature, marble heated floors, gold trim basins and fixtures, integrated smart mirror with infotainment, Japanese-style bidet toilet with aroma control and sensors, fully climate-controlled and acoustically insulated for comfort and seclusion. Master bedroom. Sleep royally. Private master suite with sliding frosted glass doors is at the back of the camper. Features include king-size memory foam bed with massage and sleep tracking functions, ambient ceiling starlight system, personal vanity with jewelry safe, cedar-lined walk-in wardrobe, smart blackout drapes, and mood lighting. The bedroom's 42-inch OLED TV and climate zone give complete comfort management. Power meets elegance in chassis and engineering. The vehicle uses a reinforced all-wheel drive Bentley truck platform and features a V12 twin-turbo hybrid or full electric drivetrain, adaptive air suspension, self-leveling hydraulic system, and energy-managed solar panels. AI for off-grid. Bentley's new iCommand suite, an AI-powered control system accessible via voice, tablet, or dashboard, integrates all systems. Privacy and security features include bullet-resistant windows with auto-tinting, 360-degree HD security cameras, biometric access, smart lock controls, and optional drone surveillance. Designed for modern aristocrats, the 2026 Bentley Truck Limousine Motorhome is a mobile palace that lets owners travel without sacrificing Bentley's distinction, elegance, and calm.